How to turn on the ultra wide mode on Snapchat. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on the ultra wide mode on Snapchat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. So in order to access the ultra wide mode, you first have to make sure that you have the ultra wide mode camera on your device, because if you don't have an ultra wide camera, then you won't be able to access it. So as you can see here, you could find multiple options on the right side of your screen, but unfortunately I do not have the ultra wide mode on my camera because that is not available on my region as of now. So what you can do is try to contact Snapchat support for this. So if I just go ahead and tap on this grid icon, I could only bring out the grids, and here is a focus mode, but there is no ultra wide mode. So what you can do is head over to your settings icon by tapping on the menu and then tap on the account icon. Now from here you scroll down until you find Help Center. And on your Help Center, you are just going to go ahead and contact Snapchat support. Scroll down a bit until you find Contact Us. Just tap on this one. And then from here, you are just going to go ahead and submit a request for a camera bug. So click on I found a bug. And then from here, you still need help. Tap on yes. And then from here, tap on the camera. And then from here, tap on camera features. Now from here you could just choose any one of these options. So let's just say the zoom mode. And now you will have to provide all of your details, and then here on the description just go ahead and type in your description saying that you're not able to access your wide lens. And after doing that, just submit the report and they will contact you back within a few days. Now just follow the instruction and you should be good to go. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe.